Hello everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So if you remember video number 1520, we actually converted this exercise machine right here into a generator, and that performed actually incredibly well. And then a few videos later we actually made a hand crank generator, which was video number 1525, and that performed okay. But after reading the comments on that video, there was a load of awesome suggestions, and I think that was pretty cool. So I want to actually improve that. And the idea is to take this mechanism out of this exercise machine right here and convert it into a hand crank generator. And there's one main reason why I want to do this, and that is this has a flywheel in it. So of course it's going to be awesome. Okay, so the first thing that we actually have to do is to chop out this mechanism right here. And then once we've done that, we can actually start thinking about how we're going to mount our alternator. But I think I have an idea on actually how I'm going to do this. But I think the first thing to do is to actually crack on. And when I start making some progress, I'll tune back in. So I'll see you guys in a second. And there we go, this is the majority of our build already completed. And as you can see, I've pretty much taken the main portion of what I needed. I've condensed it down right into this tiny little compact frame, and now it's actually time to attach the alternator. So how we're actually going to do that is the same way as we did in video number 1520, because I've already got all the bits there and the holes already cut out, which makes it actually incredibly easy. So I'll do that, install the alternator, chop off this section and attach a handle, and then we can actually see what kind of results we can get out of it. So let's crack on. And there we go, we finally got our alternator installed against this flywheel, and I have to admit, this thing works really nicely. So what we actually have to do now is connect a little bit of a voltage down here, connect it up to the multimeter and see what kind of results we get. Rightio, so now this has actually been done, it's time to actually see what it can output. So the first thing that we're going to be testing is the voltage, and as you can see on the pip, we put around 4.2 watts in this, so anything above that is going to be pure generation. So let's give this a spin. Wowzers! Would you look at that? That 16 volts. Very nice. Okay, 16 to 17 volts, that is a good result, but let's see how much it can generate in the way of amps. What's that, 4.2, 4.3? Around 4 volts, actually pretty easily. So, let's connect this up to something and actually see if it can do some work. Okay, so it's a little bit dark in here, and that's for a good reason. Right here I've got a nice little light bulb that we're going to light. So, let's give it a go. Oh wow, that is just incredibly easy. I feel like if I go any faster, I'm absolutely going to blow it. Oh, that's awesome. And there we go, that result was absolutely awesome. I mean, around 16 volts at around 4 amps. That is crazy. And we actually put around 4.2 watts into this alternator, and we got around 68 watts out of it. That, again, is just a little bit crazy. That is some good generation. So I'm actually going to keep this little machine around for a while, I think, because the build quality of it is awesome, the result of it was awesome, and I definitely can think of more things that I can do using this. But with that being said, that does bring me to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer them all. Anyway guys, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you later.